Hey everybody, welcome to Tech with Brett, where I help tech work for you. Now, just the other day, YouTube announced it's finally bringing its YouTube VR app to the Samsung Gear VR. So I have it downloaded, installed on my Galaxy S9, and today we're going to check out all it can do. Jumping right into YouTube VR, here at the top you have a home, a 360 videos, and then your account. So you can just watch normal YouTube videos on here, as well as 360 degree videos. So here I can scroll through and see a bunch of videos. And just so you know, around me is just a black room. So it's just really dark. And wherever I click, it will recenter it there. So I can go this way, click, and it'll recenter it over on this side. So I'm going to show you that you can go into your account right here, and you can go down and choose your account, and then you'd be able to see all your subscriptions and playlists. And here it's already giving me recommendations based on people that I am subscribed to. So you can go through and just watch all of these. Now that I'm signed in, it's automatically giving me recommendations based on my subscriptions. So here I can go to 360 videos and choose any of these. So let's watch this 360 in 8K. And here you can see the menu, but it went away, and now it is in the full 360 degree video. So I can now look all the way around. You can see that I'm floating here. You can see my Gear VR controllers there. And I can look in all directions. And there is the 360 video. If I click, here is the menu. So you have a few options. Over here on the left side, you do have the description of the video. Here I could instantly subscribe. I could save offline, read the description. Over here on the right side, I have recommended videos. So other videos that are recommended from my feed. And then down here for the controls, I can change the volume. Right now it is muted because we are screen mirroring. Here I can pause and play it. And then over here I have the settings. So I can change the quality. Right now it's on auto, or I could set it to the highest quality. I can change the speed right here from 2.5 all the way up to 2 times. And then here I could report, and some videos will have the closed caption option. And then down here is a option called Watch Together, and we'll get to that in a minute. So then I click and let's click play again, and it will continue to play, and you can see that I'm flying over the Great Wall of China, I think. So then if you click up here, this will take you back to that main screen where you can look at your recommendations, and here I can go to my subscriptions. I can see all the new videos that have been uploaded, and then here I can go to my account. So I could actually see my history, my videos, my channel, and other playlists that I have right there. So we're going to go back home here. So next we're going to go to a regular flat video. So here, if I wanted to watch one of the latest videos that I have created, so here I can see this video, and you can see that it's just a square box on the screen. And you can see that it gives this nice little glow down here on the bottom. If I use the remote and I scroll forward or back when I'm pointed at the TV, you can make it smaller or bigger. So this is pretty big. I have to actually look around to be able to see the full video, but it looks like it's on a giant screen. So it's like I'm at the movies for YouTube. So let's zoom back out a little bit here. If I click and hold down, I can then move, zoom out a little. So now if I click and hold down, I can actually move the screen around with my controller. So if I wanted to move it all the way up on the ceiling, so right now I'm leaning all the way back. Sorry if it's making you dizzy, but now I can place that up on the ceiling. So this is me looking forward, and then this is me looking all the way up. If I want to take it back here, I can just click and it will recenter. So then if I click on the screen down here under the settings, I now have an option called curved screen. So if I select curved screen, it's now going to show up like a curved TV, and it kind of curves along the room that I'm in. I'm in this 360 spherical room, and now I have those same controls where I can zoom in or I can move it around. So it kind of gives it like a curved TV feel. It looks really nice. Now if I'm on a 2D video and I click again over here, I'll see the subscribe button. I can like the video, I can scroll down and see the description again, and over here I have recommended videos as well. And I have the volume, and if you're watching a playlist, you do have a next button, and previous button. And then here you can see right now it is currently playing on the highest quality. Now the videos I upload are in 1080p. So right now if it's at the highest quality, it's running in 1080p and it looks really good. So if you watch 4K on here, the VR really is only about a 720 screen. So 4K videos will look really nice, but it's not going to be beneficial. I can still read all the text here on the 1080p screen and everything looks really good. So then if we go back up here to the menu, let's say I want to go to a playlist. So here I could click on any of my playlists and now you'll see that I can watch all those. I could even save this whole playlist offline so that if I want to watch it when I don't have an internet connection, I could do that. But I believe that's because I am a YouTube Red subscriber or a YouTube Premium account. I have that option. So here, let's play one of these videos. So you can see the video is up there, and then down here I have the option to skip over. And then if I click up here on the YouTube logo at the top, it takes me back to the main page. Now I was looking to see if there was like a trending page. Let's see if we can find that. So we have recently uploaded from my subscriptions. And then here we can scroll down and we can just see a bunch of videos from all of our subscriptions, or you can select your account that you want to watch up here at the top. And there you can see what the channel looks like. You could subscribe right here. So it's pretty much a full YouTube app. Up here at the top, you do have the videos option. And then over here, you have playlists. You can look at the community. Here you can see recommended channels by that channel. And then here you could read the About section on that channel. So here on my channel, we can see the same. And community posts are on their way. So apparently community posts aren't showing up in the YouTube VR application. All right, let's try the search feature. So I do have a video about Samsung CES booth last year that I recorded in 360. So up here, I have the option in the search to do voice or keyboard. So I'm just going to do voice. And then you need to allow it to record audio. Oh, so it didn't work because I'm like screen mirroring and stuff. So we're going to do Samsung CES 2017. Oh, let's put in 360. Oh, here it is. So Samsung booth tour. I click play. And now it is in full 360. And there's no zoom out or in on this. It's just the full video. And let's zoom forward a little bit. And so you can see that you can look all the way around there. There is music playing in the background, but we can't hear it because we are screen mirroring here. Okay, so the last feature that I'm going to show you today is the Watch Together option. So with Watch Together, it's required that you have a microphone, but this is a way that you can actually view YouTube videos with other people that have the Samsung Gear VR or the YouTube VR application. So we just select right here, and it does ask you to create an avatar when you first set it up. So this is the guy I created, and I could change it to any one of these, and it just takes a second for them to load up. And here are all the different options that I have. I could randomize the different avatars so it looks like different ones are showing up if you don't like what you see. There's no like scrolling through the different menu there. But let's just choose this purple guy. Why not? So now it is asking you to turn on the microphone, or it's going to turn on the microphone, and your avatar and what you watch will be visible to other participants. So I'm going to watch something, and anyone else that's watching as well will be able to chat together. Select join. So when you are using Watch Together, everything that you do or say will be recorded. And so if you are participating with somebody and they flag you, YouTube can come and check, and they could terminate your account if you do not abide by their community guidelines. So let's go in here and see if we can do anything. All right, so I have an option down here to change avatar, block users, report users, or find a new party. I can change my volume. I can mute my microphone. Let's do that right now. And then here I could stop watching together. So I'm going to go up here and select find new party. And so it's going to find other parties of people talking together. Okay, so it looks like nobody else is on. It says it's waiting for other people to join the party. So right now, apparently, I'm the only person actually using this. And I believe it would be on that video. Some pretty cool features there. It looks like nobody else is using this feature yet, but when you start using it, I'm sure more people will begin using it as well. So if you had a friend, they could come and watch the same video, and you could talk to each other while you are watching YouTube videos, which is pretty sweet. So that is how you use the Watch Together, and it currently is in beta, so there may be some bugs, but yeah, I'm pretty excited to be able to try that out with some others. And there you go. That is the YouTube VR app for the Gear VR. If you guys have any further questions about this, let me know in the comments below. And if this is your first time here, I would love to have you subscribe so that you can be notified of my new and upcoming videos. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Is there something in my face? Not here or here, but more like right here.